I wanted to create a technology-inspired product where each and everyone is truly unique. 3D printing was the perfect match for this, allowing a different geometry for each part using a customized algorithm. Considering light affects our mood, the OLED panel was an obvious choice. This cutting-edge lighting technology produces a very soft and pleasant light, perfect for any working environment. The choice of material was given just as much consideration. Combining high-grade aluminium, 3D printed steel and the finest grade of walnut creates a high quality and durable end product.